I think that industry is looking for answers. And I think this kind of meeting, like today, it helps them to get answers. Maybe not direct, but at least to give some hints where to go. The packaging is a part of the product. And we should understand that we should care about also the packaging as it is. We try to do as much as possible that those products can be used many times, or they can go to the loop or to the cycle.
The second day of the conference, it was live demonstration and open days by VTO. Polish market is for us very important. Poland is one of the biggest packaging producer in East Europe.
VTO is a flexo printing company. We produce packaging mainly for the food sector. 30% of our sales go abroad to Western European countries like Denmark, Holland, Germany, Sweden, and the rest is the local market. We really enjoy working with W&H engineers. They help us to develop this hybrid machine that uses both flexo and roto technology. First, it was an idea to just organize an open house, and then we wanted to do something bigger, to organize an event regarding packaging, especially regarding the sustainable direction. I had a very, very positive feedback from our customers, and I also heard that W&H is satisfied because their customers are also impressed with what they experience. So I am really happy for this event.